You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn how to pronounce more confusing names, including of famous YouTubers and internet personalities and beyond, brand names and so on, stay tuned. English pronunciation, the way she would pronounce her name, is Ava, not Ava. Ava Krys Tyson. Ava Krys Tyson. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.